Pet speaking. How to prepare for it. Speaking part 1. What do I have to do? You have to answer the examiner's questions. The questions are about your life, your daily life, your family, hobbies, likes and dislikes. And in this part, you talk to the examiner, not your partner. The examiner also asks your partner some questions. This part of the test takes 2 to 3 minutes. How do I do it? Listen carefully, because the examiner will not ask you the same questions as your partner. Speak clearly so the examiners and your partner can hear you. If you don't understand a question, ask the examiner to repeat it. Try to give full answers and add some extra information to make your answers interesting. For example, if the examiner asks, "What do you enjoy doing in your free time?" "I like playing sports" is a very short answer. You try to answer a little bit and give more information, a little bit more. "I like doing sports. I play basketball once a week and tennis twice a week." By providing more information, you give the examiner the opportunity to evaluate and grade better your speaking abilities.